This bird is losing it, man. I found out I was playing Angry Birds on my Android. It's been trying to break in our window for a while. A couple days now. And it just does this all day. Back and forth. Attack the window. Peck at it.